Hello, grade six. Welcome to today's lesson. We are going to just revise decimals a little bit. So you're not going to work too hard today, but you're still going to work so that we can make sure you get your best possible marks. Okay, so let's quickly look at this page. It says a decimal fraction. So it's a fraction written as a decimal. So a decimal is a whole number, comma, and then numbers afterwards, and that will give us a decimal, as you can see here in the screen. A decimal point separates a whole number from a decimal fraction, as I said just now. For example, 1.5. Do you see that 1.5? Now, you don't say 1.5 in your books and tests and exams. Please make a comma. So 1.5. So, examples of a decimal fraction, you can see it here in this block. So it should actually be 6,945 comma 3728. And notice how I say 6,945 comma 3728. Everything after the comma, the decimal point, the decimal fractions, you pronounce the number as is. You won't say 6,945, 3,728. You don't say it like that. You say 6,945, 3728. So everything after the decimal, you say as the number itself. So decimal point separates the whole number from a fraction. Fractions convert to decimals, so you have to know a half can also be written as 5 on 10 or 4 on 8, anything like that. And you will see it as a decimal as 0.5. Also, here's another example: 10 1 on 4, 10 25 on 100 equals 10,2.5. And notice how the whole number, the 10, stays the same through all of it, and then just the fraction or the decimal will change. So this is the most common ones. The way decimal fractions are read varies between countries as well. We say comma, we don't say dot. So this is um, most probably American summary that's on the screen at the moment. So we will make this point a comma. That's why it's different. 10.25, 10.25, as I said just now, but other countries can say 10 and 25 hundredths. We don't say that. And then 10 and 10 and the 5 hundredths. I've never heard of that. We also don't speak like that. We say it like the first one, 10.25. Now for today, I only want you to write this down. So you're going to pause the video in a moment. You're going to write this down, and that's all you want need to do today. You're going to do this as notes. So exactly the same way I always write the notes on the board. This is my notes on the board, and you're going to write down this. I just want to say there at the last um that 10.25, and then how we say how you can say it, make a correction mark at the 10.25, and then the other two make a cross and say we don't say it like that, or don't even write those, just the way it's correct. So I just want you to know that definitely, and note somewhere as well, we say 1,5 and not 1 point. So I'm going to give you time to write this down, and then I will go back. I just want to show you the next slide quickly. You have to have a good day, good luck everyone, and I hope to see everyone back at school Monday. Then we can go on with decimals, and then you understand everything up until now. You need to know what the names like thousands, hundreds, tens, ones, the decimal point, tens, hundredths, and so forth. Okay, you need to know that. But that's all for today. Write this down, and then you can relax the period, the rest of the period, this must be neat in your books. Remember, this is notes for your exam, and then you can relax and make sure all your work is up to date. Good luck, guys. Bye.